So good evening all. We will do NTSC foundation, and we'll do with the alphabet test, and then we'll go to logical reasoning questions. Gopi Krishna, switch on your video. Okay. So let's see that. I have few questions. When we say about alphabet test, okay. Have anyone heard about alphabet test? Can anybody tell me what could be alphabet test? What alphabet?
Sir, a series of letters given or alphabets given, and we have to guess the pattern. We have to understand the pattern and then find out the upcoming letter or the alphabet which they have asked for.
Very good. Divya Shakti, are you able to understand what he said? In alphabet test, okay, the letters will be given and we have to find out the patterns, okay? So we'll do the first problem of this class. All right, before that, I have a thought today. The thought which I'm looking at, it's responsibility is freedom, okay? If you look at it, what is responsibility? Responsibility is all about freedom, but instead responsibility offers you the choice of action in the way you want to choose how to act. Taking full responsibility of your life means taking control of how you respond to the situations around you. You understood what I'm saying? Responsibility is with you. You want, you can take it up. If you don't want, you can leave it up. You understand? Responsibility simply means your ability to respond. Nothing but when I said to you, when I asked you to switch on the video, it doesn't mean that someone's attitude, to check somebody's attitude. It is all about a teacher's request that I would like to see my students when I'm teaching. Without seeing my students, it is not good for me to teach. So I would like to see my students whom I am teaching. I would like to see each and everyone's face when I'm teaching. Today I'm a bad luck teacher because I cannot see you in my classroom, in my physical classroom. So I'm able to see only through videos. Okay, so you should not reject that. You understand? Right. So I'm not responsible. You will not have the ability to respond. It is as simple as that. So let's see. This is the first question of this class. So the first question goes here. Okay. If you want, you can copy. Otherwise, you can understand. If you look at it, the first, find the next two terms in this series which talks about A, C, F, J. So if you look at it, what happens here? There is we know that it is alphabet series. Divya, are you there? Divya Shakti, are you there? Yes. Gopi Krishna, switch on video. I said to switch on the video. Yeah.
I'm not having web camera. I came in 2 IDs, sir. So
That is not my problem. I will remove you from the class after 5 minutes.
So no, sir. I have 2 IDs. In that, my phone has a camera so that you can see me, sir. I have on.
See you. Where are you?
I'm in 2 IDs, sir. In computer, I'm not having web camera so that I came in phone.
I'm able to see you. Okay, right. Okay. Okay. So look at this. We have find the next two terms in this series. So the series goes A, C, F, J. So Sharon, are you there, Sharon?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sharon. So what are we able to see in this? What is happening in this? Can you guess and tell me?
Sir, it's a pattern, sir.
It's a pattern. So A to C there is a difference, C to F there is a difference, and F to J there is a difference. So what is that difference?
Sir, A, B, C, regularly, sir.
So A plus 2 is C. Am I right?
C, yes, sir.
Sir, A plus 2 is C, plus 3 is F, F plus 4 is J.
So, okay, A plus 2 is C, C plus 3 is F, F plus 4 is J. Am I right? F, G, H, I, J. Am I right? Are you all with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So,
Yes, sir.
what is the case? Which option number 1, 2, 3, 4, which option can match?
Option 3.
3, sir. OU.
3 appropriate.
So after J, what it should come? 6 letter. Am I right? Am I right? After J, it should be
4 letters.
L.
4.
4 letters after J. It will be like plus 4, and the 5th letter would be the answer. L and O will be the answer.
If you tell me O is the answer, 3 is the answer, then in that case the pattern, see A, B, C. A plus 2 is C, C plus C, D, E, F. C plus 3 is F. F plus G, H, I, J. F plus 4 is J. Then of course it should be 5 after J. Is it 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern? So what should be
Sir,
the
between
Yes.
A and C, there is one, sir.
No.
Between A and C, one letter. If we see like,
wait, Aditya. A, B, C. A plus 2. A plus 2 is C. Okay.
yes, sir.
Then C plus 3 is F. From C, third letter is F. From F, fourth letter is
J.
J.
So
So
a J plus 5.
fifth letter. So what will be the fifth letter?
O, sir.
O.
Are you sure? K, L,
Yes, sir.
and O.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From O, what should be the next sixth letter?
U.
U.
U, sir.
U.
So is it correct? So OU is the pattern. So answer is here. So OU is the next series. Understood? All right. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is on the board. Which term comes next in the sequence? AC, FH, KM, PR. First, we need to understand in the alphabet, okay, there is a difference A and C, and then there is a different F and H, or there can be a different K and M, there can be a different PR, or we can take it like A, okay? Look at the board, A to F. Let's see, A to F, what is the difference? A to F, what is the difference?
5, sir.
So B, C, D, E, F. So A plus 5 is F. F plus what will be K?
5, sir.
5. Are you sure? Okay. Are you sure? All right. So from K to how much is P?
5, sir.
All right. So that is matching. Now let's see. Then C to H will be what? So okay. Wait a second. So P to next 5 will be what?
U, sir.
U.
U. All right. So C to H. C to H. What is the difference?
5.
5.
And next H to M.
5, sir.
M to R.
5,
sir.
5, sir.
5 will be.
W, sir.
So U and W is the answer. Are you able to understand the pattern? Aditya, are you okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Option A would be right, sir. U and W.
Wonderful. Option. Yes, yes.
I understand.
Ashwat could not understand. All right. I am asking Sharon to explain him. Sharon, explain him.
Sir, so the given pattern is AC, FH, KM, and PR. And so if we take how much, take the difference, it will be A to F. It is there are 5 letters in between. So if we calculate the same thing, we get 5 only. So P plus 5 letters is U, and then if we do the same thing with C and H, we also get the same 5. So it will be R plus 5, which is W.
Ashwat, are you able to understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Very good. So let's move to the next one. The next question is here. Look at this. Concentrate. If education is written as 54213120915114, then how is cat written?
Sir, option C, 3120.
Option C, 3120. Who said this to me?
Divya Shakti, sir.
All right, Divya, can you wait for a second? Whether Aditya or anyone else from boys side, anybody's got different opinion? Gopi Krishna? What is happening here? Okay, Divya, what is your understanding? What is happening here?
Sir, E is 5th letter, sir. Education, E is 5th letter, sir.
Okay,
D is 4th letter, sir.
okay,
U is 21st letter, sir.
okay,
C is 3rd letter. A is 1st letter. T is 20th letter. I is 9th letter. O is 15th letter and N is 14th letter, sir.
Wonderful. Are you able to understand? Is everyone able to understand such questions?
Sir.
This is very common question in
Yes.
exam. These questions, these type of questions are usually asked in NTSC exam. So please understand what has happened here. What has happened? They have given for the alphabet the number. Okay, the number is been given here. Understood? Clear with
Yes.
you?
Yes.
Let's move on to the next one. So this is what I have given the example here. Okay, this is the way it has been calculated. The next series. It is which term comes next in the series? Y, E, B, W, F, D, U, H, G. S, K, L. What could be the next series? What could be the next series? Ashok, are you with me?
Sir.
All right. So what is happening here? Why is it YEB, WFD? So can we take like this? Y to W, is there any difference? Can we go like this? Y,
Sir, if we go on based on first letter, sir, the answer's first letter would be probably Q.
okay.
Then the next letter we have to find the relation and find.
E and F, what will be the relationship? E, F, and F, H. And H, K.
Sir, E is next letter, plus 1 is F, sir.
Okay.
Plus 2 is H,
Okay.
plus 3 is K, sir.
Plus 3 is?
Then for Y, sir, it is
Ah.
minus 2, sir. Minus 2 W.
Sir, is the answer Q and L? Option 4.
Q and L.
Yes, sir.
So what pattern you followed here?
Sir, Q and N, if we find out, then we can rule out the other three options. Sir, Q is the relationship between the first letters, sir. Y, W, Y. If we leave X, then it is W. Like that, the pattern will follow and we'll get the first letter as Q. Then for the second letter, E, F, they're next by one, sir. Then F plus 1 is H, H plus 2 is K, K
Okay.
plus 3 is N. So then the next letter will be Q and N, sir. Then as per that, then the other three options 1, 2, 3 can be ruled off because there's no N. 3 will be ruled off because of no Q. Then we are left off with 3. So then Q and N, we can rule out the other 3. Option 4 will be the right answer.
Okay, Sharon, do you have any opinion?
Sir, actually, I didn't get the second letter part.
Which one? E and F part.
Yes, sir.
E and F. Okay. E plus 1 is F, right? And F plus, what is H? G, H, 2. F plus
Yes,
2
sir. 2.
H plus J, I, K. 3 is K. Am I right? Right. So obviously then what will be from K to 4?
Sir,
Understood?
I'm not getting
Yes,
the
sir.
third letter, sir.
All right.
I have confusion in third letter, sir. How is it?
Are you able to understand now? Are you able to see the pattern? First letter Y plus 2, W plus 2, U plus 2, S plus 2, which is Q. Okay. Ashwad, having doubt means ask.
Sir.
Sir, I have confusion in third letter, sir. I'm not able to crack the pattern, sir.
Third letter. Is this Divya? Is Divya asking me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is the confusion, Divya?
Sir, how will the pattern follow, sir? Plus 2, plus 3, plus 2, plus 2. What is it, sir?
All right. Look at this. So we know that Y plus U, V, W,
Sir, I
right?
have a confusion in B, sir. B, D, G, L.
Okay, what happens to B? B plus what? B plus what is D?
2, sir.
2. D plus what is G?
3.
Alright. E, F, G. Okay, G plus what is L? 4. Am I
Yes.
right? 4. So L plus 5.
Sir, 5, sir. G plus 5 is L.
No, G, H, I, J, K, L. Yeah, 5. Alright. Then what is happening next? Okay, what you are asking me here? B and D. Alright, well, let's see. B is B, C, D. Okay, 2. Alright. D, E, F, sorry, E, A, B, C, D, E, E, F, G. Alright, G is 3. And H, I, J, K. It should be K. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Why L came there, sir?
Second. Let me see the how I worked out. So first letter is understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Second letter is also okay, right? Aditya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So here it is B plus 2, D plus 3. See, B plus 2 is what? D. D plus 3 is what? G. And G plus 2 is
I.
I.
Sir, is it SKL
Sir, it
or
was not
SKI?
I there, sir.
In the question, it was
It was
SKL, sir.
L,
I think
sir.
it will be I.
It is SKI, sorry. It is SKI. Okay? Kindly correct it to SKI. It is not L. That's the confusion. So are you able to understand now?
Sir, if it is I also, it comes like plus 2, plus 3, plus 2, plus 2, sir.
So see the series then. B plus 2 plus 3, G plus 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, again it will be plus 3. Am I right?
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
have
sir.
a
That's the pattern. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Are you all with me? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
So here it comes the next one. Look at this. This is slightly different. If you see like A is there and then 2 letters and then 3 letters and finally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. So how do we go to this series?
Sir, M and OP.
What? Who's that?
Divya Shakti, sir.
Yeah, what is how it is M and OP?
Sir, A plus 2 is CD, sir.
A plus 2 is
2. C.
okay. C plus
So continuously CD, sir. So D plus 3 is G, sir.
D plus 3 is
G, sir.
okay. All right then.
Then I comes, sir. Then I plus 4 is M.
So in this class, Aditya and Hemant, I know Gopi Krishna and all can work out. I know why they are not talking anything to me.
Yes, sir.
Where are those boys? They are there with me for a long time. Where are they?
Yes, sir.
Gopi Krishna, you are not telling me anything. You have already learned some pattern like this
Yes, sir.
in the earlier classes. Where are you? Then why are you not able to work out? Sharon, do you have any idea?
Sir, I thought of the same thing only, sir.
So what is that you are guessing? How
Sir,
this-
so the letter pattern is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, sir.
okay.
So A plus 2 is C, and then it comes 2 letters, so it's CD. And then D plus 3 will be G, so 3 letters, GHI.
Okay.
And then I plus 4 will be M, sir.
Okay.
So it will be 4 letters after that, M and OP. So
Okay.
P plus 5 will be U, and then it continues.
All right. So let's see the pattern of how I worked out. So look at this. Each term consists of consecutive letters in order. The number of letters in the terms goes on increasing by 1 at each step. Also, there is a gap of 1 letter between the last letter of the first term and the first letter of the second term. A gap of 2 letters between the last letter of the second term and the first letter of the third term, and so on. So there should be a gap of 3 letters between the last of the third term and the first letter of the third term. So what is the answer here? Hello.
MNOP. MNOP. MNOP would be.
Wonderful.
M and OP.
Remember, this kind of questions, I'm repeatedly telling these kind of questions are asked in NTSC exam, Olympiad exams, and on a longer run. Of course, you have a logical reasoning paper in 11th standard for CBSE students. Remember, there is a reasoning topics in mathematics, okay, in 11th standard. That reasoning topic will only be supported with this kind of questions. These kind of questions will be asked in 11th standard reasoning, mathematics, a regular school curriculum, and in your mathematics book, there is a reasoning topic, and that will be followed from this. You understood now? All right.
Yes.
Let's see the next one. A small question from my side. What I'm asking you is, you can draw this, okay? Please draw this triangle, all right, as it is, and you have to fill from 1 to 6 without repetition, so that each side of the magic triangles adds up to 12. When I add this side, okay, look at my mouse, where I'm moving my mouse, okay, on the board. See this side should be 12, this side should be 12, this side should be 12. And what you have to do here, you should not repeat the numbers. You have number from 1 to 6. Quickly do this. Let me see the brains of this class. Let me see the analytical ability of these class students. Let me see the mental strength of the students of this class. You talk about 1,000 things, but unless until you have a calculation capacity, unless until you have analytical capacity, you are a big zero. That's all. You learn physics, chemistry, maths, which is already written by somebody. And those concepts are there, those definitions are there, those formulas are already written by somebody, you just follow it. But when you have to work out something with your own brains, that is what is mental maths, and that is what is mental ability. Where is Gopi Krishna? Gopi Krishna, quickly do this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, completed. Sir.
Completed? Wonderful. Okay. So I'll give others 30 seconds more. Otherwise, Sharon will answer this. I'm giving 30 seconds. Very bad, guys.
Completed, sir.
Monica completed. Okay. Monica, can you show me the note on the screen? Okay, 4, 2, all right, then 6 next. Okay, the other side. Okay. All right, okay. Keep it with you. Let's see. All right, now I'll expect Sharon to answer. Sharon, please answer.
Sir, so each side, when we add up, it will be 12, no, sir?
So look at my mouse. In this column, what it comes?
4, sir.
Look at the 4. 4. This is 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wait. So you are telling me on top it is 4, and this side here
2, sir. 2.
2. And about this?
6.
So 6, 4, 2. So 10 and 12. Okay. This side?
So that one will be 6, sir. The right corner.
No, you said here. Here you said 4 to me.
Yes, sir. The down one.
And this side? This one?
That is 2, sir.
This is 2, and this one?
6.
Okay. Here in center?
1. 1.
About this?
5, sir.
5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this?
3, sir.
Okay. So 5 plus 3, 8, and 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2 is?
8 plus 4, sir.
4.
8 plus 4.
12. All right. Okay. So hope everyone got it now. Is this the way you all got it? I'll repeat the number. Here she said 4. Okay. On top she said 4. This side here she said 2, and she said 6 here. Then she said here. What you said here?
So 1, sir.
1. And this side is
5.
5.
That one is 3, sir.
Okay. Now let's see whether what pattern I have done. Okay. Is it correct? Hope all of you got it now. All right. Let's see the next problem. Let's go to the next one. All of you with me? Are you all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
The next number goes like this. here with alphabet, you are able to see the number also, right? Are you able to see the numbers? So this particular series is called basically alphanumerical series. Okay, what it is? In mental ability, in the number series, this kind of series are called alphanumerical series. Sadhana Shri, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. You have any doubt means if you have any doubt, please ask. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So this kind of series are called alpha numerical series. So we have F3x, comma H7U, then it is J15R, then 31O. What could be the next step? What could be, what can be? Where is Aditya?
Sir,
What can be next?
I'm understanding the pattern, sir. I'm writing numbers.
Govishna, Monita, are you working?
So working on it.
Mayuka,
Yes, sir.
wait, okay, I can't see you.
Sorry, sir.
Yes. Can I expect the answer from Sharon? Any thinking?
Sir,
Any
I
thinking?
don't know, sir.
Okay. All right. So I'll give a hint here to all of you. Now let's see. Okay, let's first take F as usual. F plus what is H?
Plus 2, sir.
2.
Plus 2. Okay. H plus what is J?
Plus 2, sir.
2.
Okay, now let's take now 3 here. Okay, this 3 plus what is 7?
4, sir.
4.
Okay, 7 plus what is 15?
8, sir.
8. 8.
So what are you able to understand any pattern? Anything are you able to guess?
4.
Sir, answer is N63L, sir.
No, I'm not sure about it. I need to check. Because I wrote the answer, but I don't remember it now. Let's see. Now look at this. So if I take like 3 into 2 plus 1 can be 7. Okay. 7 into 2 plus 1 can be 15. Aditya, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 15 into 2 plus 1 can be 31. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So 31 into 2 plus 1.
63, sir.
63. All right. So R plus
Sir,
what?
I have done in a different way, sir, but I am getting the same answer, sir.
What you are getting? N63L.
Sir, 3 plus 4 is 7, sir.
Okay.
7 plus 8 is 15. So 4 into 2, 8, sir. So 7 plus 8 is 15.
Yeah. But then 15 to what is? How do you calculate 15 to 31?
Sir, 8 into 2 is 16, sir. So 15 plus 16 will be 31.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's see.
Yes, sir.
The
16.
answer is same, sir.
Now look at the board. Look here.
So that also same pattern only, sir.
Right? I'll be keeping you a test on this. Okay, in the next couple of week or maybe the next week you can expect a test on mental ability. So see this. Are you able to understand now? So what is the answer? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the
The
answer?
second. N63.
N63L, sir.
All right. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. What we are learning now?
Alphanumeric series.
Alphanumeric series. The next question is on the board on the same series, alphanumeric series. Let me see who can answer me first. 10th standard should not be taking this much time.
L.
You say you are all brilliant students. What it can be? Ashwat,
Yes, sir.
Mayuka, where are you? Mayuka is not talking anything. Where is Mayuka? Mayuka,
Yes, sir.
tell me. What are you able to understand from this?
Sir, at the first I have some network problems, sir, so I can't understand these things.
Okay, who can explain to her basically about this, what we are learning? Who can do that? Can Divya speak on this? Divya, can you tell her what we are learning now?
So we are learning alphanumeric series, sir.
This is in mental ability. This section is called alpha numerical series. Okay. In this series, there can be a series missing or a series which is not, or a pattern which is not matching to the series, which we have to identify. Okay. There can be two chances. Chance number one is you have to identify the next series of the pattern, or else a particular pattern is not matching to the series. So in this, they talk about find the term which does not fit into the series. Which does not fit into the series. Here comes the twist. What? Because if it would have been a series, which is what is next, then it is easy. Now let's see here. Okay. G4T, J10R, M20P, P43N, S90L. Okay, look at this. What happens here? G to what is J?
Plus, like it's like +3. Third letter from G.
From third letter. Okay, J to what it can be?
+3, sir.
It's again third letter +3, sir.
Okay.
M plus, it is again +3, sir. It
Everything
follows a pattern of +3.
P plus what is S?
+3, sir.
+3.
Okay, let's see. 4 plus what is 10?
6.
6. 10 plus what is 20?
10.
10.
Sorry?
10.
Okay. So then 20 plus what can be 43?
23.
23.
So
23.
identify now where is the missing, what is happening, where the error is coming.
Between 20 and 43.
Let's see. Okay. Let's see this. Look at the solution. See the solution. First letter G plus 3, J plus 3, M plus 3, P plus 3, S. Second letter T minus 2. Okay. R minus 2, P minus 2, N minus 2 is L. Now in the number series 4, 10, 20, 43, 90 are there. Am I right? All right. So into 2 plus 1. The first one is into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 3, into 2 plus 4. So 10 will be the wrong number. How? Can somebody tell
Sir,
me?
I didn't understand the number series.
Wonderful. Good question. Ask me, then only I can teach you.
Yes.
Look at this. This is, they have taken as into 2. Okay. Into 2 plus
2.
2. So what it should be?
10, sir.
10.
First series into 2 plus 1. Okay. Let's see. Into 2. 4 into 2 is? 4 into 2 is?
Sir.
8, sir.
8.
Plus 1 is?
9.
9.
9.
9 into 2?
18.
18 plus
18.
18 plus 2
2.
is 20.
20.
20, sir.
So here it is 10. Look at this. Series number 10 is wrong. Because this should be 9.
9.
J9R. This should be J9R. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So 10 is wrong. Because 4 into 2 plus 1, it should be 9. Because then only this matches to this 9. If it comes 9 here, then 9 into 2 plus 2 is 20. 20 into 2 plus 3 is 43. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
43 into 2 plus 4. Understood?
It's 90.
So J10R is the wrong series in this wrong pattern. Okay. Are you able to understand now?
Yes.
Let's see.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Go to the next one. Look at this. Look at this. So if you look at, find a term which does not fit into the series given below, like the previous one. H5U, K12. This is S, okay, my dears. This is S, not 5. Please understand. This is not 125. This is K12S. I have typing error. It is K12S. Okay. N24Q. Next. Q51O. T106M. Ashwat, you are blank, I think so. Ashwat,
Sir.
yeah, you are blank here. I'm not seeing any, I can't guess anything you are learning from your face. Looking at your face, I feel that you are dull. What happens? Are you not able to understand this?
No, sir.
You have any questions to be asked in this class, please ask. If you find that it is difficult, then stay back in the class. After the class, I will teach you once again few important areas. Is it okay? Is it okay, Ashwat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mayuka, are you there?
Sir,
Yes.
it is K125, sir.
Which one?
I mean
So it is
K12S.
K125. 1 S, sir. Yes, sir.
K1
So
to
it's
K1 to
K1 to S.
Why it is K12S?
Sir, the
It's
number
like the
pattern will go
previous
wrong. The
question,
first
sir.
letter and the last letter form a pattern, but the number pattern goes wrong.
Number pattern goes wrong.
It
Okay.
is K11S, sir. It should be.
It should be K11. Yes.
11, yes, sir.
Why? Because 5 into 2 plus 1
Plus
Plus 1.
plus 1. So this should be 11. 11 into 2 plus 2 will be 24. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
24 into
sir.
2 plus 3 is
This is a
15.
very important areas of NTSC first exam, that is mental ability exams. Very important area. Okay, this particular area will have not lesser than 10 or 15 marks. 10 to 14 mark will come from this area. Please understand. Now next, let's go to the next one. Are you all with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here comes different pattern. Please do write. Can you draw this first? It is 12, 28, 38, sorry, 33, 18 and 35. Keep your videos on. 7, 14 and 11 and 9 and something is missing here in the second pattern. All right. Then the third one, 7 and 7, 3, 5 and 2. So quickly understand what is this pattern and how these numbers are framed. All of you please understand quickly. Hemant, what could be the relationship of these numbers 28 and 12 and 33 or 33 and 35 and 18? Can you tell me any relationship between these numbers of the first pattern? Hemant, I'm asking you. Who can tell me? Hemant is blank. Ashwat is blank. Gopi Krishna is blank from the beginning. Not even told me anything as of now. Sharon, any idea?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
How these numbers, can you see, look at this circles. 12 is written on the top, left, like right to 12 it is 28 is there and 33 is there and 18 is here and 35 are there. So we need to identify the relationship between these numbers. Can we find any relationship between these numbers?
Sir, is the question mark
Sir,
7?
it is 7, sir.
7, sir.
How?
Sir, 2 into 9 is 18, sir.
18.
2 into?
9,
9
sir.
is 18, sir.
18.
Okay.
Uh, 7, like
So one,
each of it I
So
get
above 3 into 11 is 33, sir.
33.
no, where is Gopi Krishna? Gopi Krishna, where are you? You used to think in my class. Such questions you used to think, right? Where are you? I think since I'm not teaching you guys for a long time, all things are gone.
No, sir.
See, look at Aditya.
Yes,
The
sir.
way it is written, let us see. Okay, here is 33 is there. Okay, 33 or 35. Let's say 35 minus 33 is how much?
2.
2, sir.
2. Okay. 28 minus 18 is what?
10,
Or
sir.
10. 10.
10 plus 2 is what?
12.
Sir, is answer 9?
12. I've given you a hint now. Find out fast. Yeah, Sadhana, what you are saying?
9, sir.
Okay, let's see whether it is correct. Somebody will find out now. I've already given a hint to Sharon and Aditya and all. Let's see. Gopi Krishna is blank here. Let me
9, sir.
I'll be calling him.
Sir, 9.
Gopi Krishna, you expect a call from me tomorrow.
Sir,
Yeah, I'll be meeting your father tomorrow. Let's see. I'll ask him to come to office. This is not the way. You were working out and I could not see anything from you. Yeah, Aditya, tell me, yaar.
Sir,
Aditya,
9, sir. 9.
Aditya is 9. Okay, Sharon.
Sir, 9.
Sharon is not able to understand.
Sir, I have no idea, sir.
Okay, Sharon, look at this. I told you the first step. Look at the first picture. I said 35. Okay? I said 35 minus 33, which is 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I said 28 minus 18. I said which is 12. Sorry, 10.
10, sir. Yes,
Plus
sir.
this 2, which is 12. 12. Same thing. Let's take here 14 minus 9 is what? Can we do something like that? 14 minus 9 is what?
Sir, yes, sir. I
From
do
my
attend
side
to
also 9.
Sorry?
Sir, from my side also 9.
So then 9 plus what is 11?
Minus 2.
11 minus
3, sir.
look at this. So what is the answer? What is the answer we got? 13. Hello? Are you able to understand what I said? I've given you a hint, still you guys are telling 999. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
then what is happening here? You will lose 4 marks for this. NTSC, you will lose 4 marks doing like this. Mayuk, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Hemant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we go to the next one? Are you all with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sharon understood?
Yes, sir.
Very simple, quickly tell me. Not even 20 seconds for you. 19, 18, 17, 15, 12, 10, 8. See, all of you are telling me you are all bright students. 7, 5. That means you are very far away from IIT and NITs, BITS Pilani, IISCR, aeronautical engineering or such big stuffs. Medical, quick analysis of a patient. Where is your analytical ability? Mayuka will tell me this answer. Mayuka, tell me her. Mayuka is not showing her face at all to me. She is showing me her fan. I could see that fan here. Long time I'm seeing that fan. It's a nice fan. Yeah. Keep your video on, I said. Nothing to hide from me. Hello? Very bad. Where is Aditya? I should kill him now.
Sir, I'm writing,
Tony,
sir.
where are you here? Long time. This and all is actually you are out of the topics now. Let me call your father tomorrow. I'll speak to your mother also tomorrow. This is too much.
Sir.
Too much, yeah. Mental ability is not, if mental ability is not there, forget about IIT and all. You can't even step into. Please forget IIT seats and all. NIT, IIT and all will be far away from you without having logical thinking. How will you solve IIT problems like this? You're just learning as it is there in the textbooks. What is Albert Einstein said, what is Thomas Alva Edison said, what is Ferrara said, or what is so and so people have said. That as it is, you're learning those concepts and just doing it in the book. That's all. Not even practicing. Where is the mental stuff? Calculation power. Very simple problem here. Very simple logical series. Very simple logical thinking. If I tell this, you will be feeling very boring. Let me tell
Sir,
you.
is it 3, 3?
Who said this?
3, 5 is 11. 3 and 12, 5.
I think it is 3, 3.
Who said this?
Divya Shakti, sir.
Divya Shakti. Okay.
3,
Divya
3 for both.
Monita and Monita, why are you not talking? Monita, Sahana, Sadhana, and all, I could not see at all. Hemant and Gopi Krishna is out of the, yeah, Gopi Krishna is there. Where is Hemant? Don't go with the video, I'm telling you. Can I tell you now? Looking at this.
Sir, 3 and 5, sir.
See,
Yes, sir. Even I thought 3 and
3
4.
and 5.
Sir,
3 and 5.
3 and 5.
How 3? How 3? Logically,
Sir, 3, 3, one number you leave, 4, 4, leave a number, 5, 5, leave a number, 3, 3, sir. Then 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Like that we can assume a pattern.
I'm telling you, all you guys have to go and wash your brain. Seriously. You give for
Sir,
washing.
is it like 3, 3 for
Sir,
11, 3
is
for
it 3, 2, sir?
Refrigerator and wash. Or
Sir, is it 3, 2, sir?
wash. Seriously, I'm telling you. Very bad. Where is the logical ability?
Sir, is it 3, 3 for 11 and 3, 3 for 12?
Oh, look at this. Can I tell you now? Look at this. 1 is to 3. Okay? 1 is to 3. There is only one logical problem applied here. There is only one logical thinking is applied here. It is 1 is to 3 is ONE. Come on here. Too much. That's what I said. Go and wash yourself like a wash complete brain. What is the answer? 2 is 2. TWO. That is 3 here. 3 is
Both are 6, sir.
both are 6. Where is logically applying? Apply mind. You want to be best in problem solving capacity. You want to be the best in problem solving capacity. Apply your thinking concept.
6, 6, sir.
Yeah, 6, 6. All of you got it now, right?
Yeah.
I hope everyone did this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, let's move on to the next one. Are you with me?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See the next one. If teacher is written as V, G, C, E, J, G, T, how children return in that code? Quickly. Ashwat is totally embarrassed in this class and totally looking at as if that he has not seen anything in his life like this. Ashwat,
Sir, no, sir.
I can see you. See, let me call your father. Like, he was talking long time. It's been long time that I didn't talk to him. Let's see. He is looking at all these questions that as if that he went to nursery, kindergarten class and looking at the teacher first time. And the board. Yeah. See that. Expression. Sitting in a kindergarten classroom and looking at the board first time.
Sir, fourth option will be the right answer.
Sir, fourth option, sir.
Fourth option, sir.
How? You should explain me why. How?
Sir, teacher, if you
Sir, t
see
plus
us,
2.
Yeah, tell me. Anyone first? Yeah. Aditya, if you are telling, you tell me.
sir, teacher, sir, if we like substitute T as V like that, if we go on for each letter, sir,
Okay.
we'll write like below teacher, if you write the like for T, if you write V like that, if you do it till the end, sir, children also like CHRE is repeated, sir. So like that, if we write that same value, sir, for T, whatever is given in T, like for C, sir, the letter C is repeated in both, sir. The same letter we'll write for children, which will be E. H also similarly we can write J, sir. Then if you go to R, in that it will be T, E will be G.
Yeah, Sharon, what was your point?
Sir, I thought it was like t plus 2 is v, sir.
Okay.
So now then e, sir. So e plus 2 is g, and a plus 2 is c,
Okay.
and where were I? C plus 2 is e, sir.
Okay.
H plus 2 is j, and e plus 2 is g, and r plus 2 is t.
Okay.
So like that, if we do that for do the same for children, it will be like C plus 2 is E, and
Okay.
H plus 2 is J, like that, sir.
Which option you got it here? As per the
Last option.
fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Fourth one. And for Aditya, which option?
Fourth one only, sir. Fourth one.
Do I have to take, or anyone is to tell any other answers? Where is Divya? Divya, are you there? Divya Shakti, are you there? Can't see her. Her picture is not there. Divya, are you there? All right. Next, anyone else wanted to answer me? Mayuka, you want to try? All right. Okay. Let's see the answer now. So solution clearly each in the word teacher is moved 2 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the code. So option 4 is the correct. Okay. Right. Let's see the next one now. Hope all of you are with me. Now let's go to the next one. Look at this. Very simple. Very simple. In a certain code, if 3 is coded as 7100, fro coded as 2159, how is free coded in that code? Quickly.
2100.
Sorry?
2100.
2100.
How?
2100.
2100.
Sir, FR
Sir,
is
F
21,
is
sir.
2.
Okay.
FR is 2 1, sir. EE is 0 0.
E is 00, sir.
So you guys understood this. So we have said like TRE, so T is 7 here, R is 1 here, E is 0 here, E is 0 here. So we got free as 2100. All right. So solution is 2100. All right. Let's move on to this. If ox is coded as 39, what will be the code number for lion? Sadhana Shri, tell me. Think on. Hello, quickly. Ashwat, where are you? Where is Divya Shakti? I think she had an issue from this class and she's there. Divya, where were you? I called you in
Sir,
between.
I'm here, sir.
I called you in between. You didn't listen to me.
Sir, I have a network issue. I rejoined now, sir.
Okay. Okay. So the question here is, if ox is recorded as 39, what will be the code number for lion? I expect this answer from 4 members: Aditya, Divya, Sharon, and yeah, where is Gopi Krishna? He's not telling me anything. I know he can do that, but where is he?
Sir,
Yeah, where are you? If you're not telling me anything, see, today I'll be watching you closely, and tomorrow you expect a call. I will be talking to your father and mother tomorrow. You see, this is very bad. Not even worked out. Very close to mental ability now. NTSC exam will be scheduled anytime. And this will be there as it is in your 11th standard reasoning portions. There is a reasoning topic in mathematics. Mathematical reasoning is there for you. Come on here. Maunita and all didn't speak to me so far. Yeah, tell me, Sharon and
Sir.
Shakti, all are, yeah, who's that? Tell
Sir,
me.
I don't know, sir. I think
Sir.
I got some parts, sir, but I don't know
Sir.
answers, sir.
Who's that?
Sir,
Ah,
sir, it's 50.
50.
Yes, sir.
How, Sahana?
Sir, we should write the numbers for A, B, C, D linely, sir.
Wonderful. Okay. Next.
And for O, it's coming as 15, sir.
Okay.
And for X, it is coming 24, sir. When we add, it's coming as 39, sir.
Wonderful. Clap, clap, clap. Good thinking. Super. So O is in alphabetical order. O comes with 14th letter. Am I right? You said that? Hello.
Sir,
Sir,
no, sir.
15th letter.
15, sir.
15th
15.
letter.
X comes at? X comes at
24.
24.
24 plus 15 is 39. So line will be 50. Line will be
50, sir.
50. You got it? L
Yes, sir.
comes at what place? I comes at what place? O comes at what place? N comes at what place? Add everything, you will get 50. So it's here. 12, 9, 15 and 14. Right. Let me move on to the next question. The next question is here on the board. I am expecting answer in maximum 20 seconds, not more than that. 20 seconds. Where is the brain here? No brain.
6, sir.
Sorry?
6.
Sir, 6.
6. Who said this?
Last digit, sir.
Sir, the
Divya,
last digit.
Okay. Is there any difference of answer? Is there any different opinion? Do I get any different opinion from this class? Is there anyone with different opinion? Will I be able to get? Gopi Krishna is seriously injured. Let me see. It's been long time that you are not working out anything. Divya, what is your thinking? Sharon said it is 6. Divya, what is your thinking? And where is Aditya?
sir, I'm trying, sir.
Sir,
Ah,
if it is 6, it will be very easy, no, sir. So I'm trying to add and
I got one
multiply.
thing, but
and
it
find.
will be not suitable for third one, sir.
that's what I'm trying to tell. You look at this. So, see, look at this here. This is all logical thinking series. Logically put your brain. Come on.
Sir, so it's not the last digit thing, sir.
I'm not very sure about it. I will show you a pattern here.
Sir, then 8 minus 1 is 7, sir.
Okay.
9 minus 0, 9. I don't know about the third one, sir.
Okay. Can I tell you something else very simple? Look at this. Okay. 817. Okay. So let's see that 8 plus 1 is how much?
9.
9, sir.
1 plus 7 is how much?
16, sir.
1 plus 6 is how much?
7.
7. Not understood. 9 plus 0 is what? 9. 9 plus 9 is what? 18. 1 plus 8 is what?
Sir, is the answer 4 then, sir?
Sharon, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what. So 4 plus 5, it is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Sorry, 8 plus 3 is what? 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is? 7 plus 6 is?
17.
7 plus 6.
30.
15.
So what is the answer?
4. 4.
4.
Sir, but, sir, so you won't get any marks for the last digit thing, sir. I mean, even that is logic, no, sir.
Which one? Which one?
Like the last digit thing, even that is logic, no, sir.
Yeah, that's what I said. This is a logical problem. What I'm trying to tell
So
you.
we can't write the last digit thing.
You can write 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 1, 2, 4, 6 is equal to 4. Hello.
So yes, sir.
Let's move on to the next one. Look, very quickly, look into this question. Yeah, look at this question. 5 people were eating apples. A finished before B, but behind C. D finished before E, but behind B. What was the finishing order?
C A B D E, sir.
C A?
B D E.
Who said this?
Divya Shakti, sir.
Okay, any different opinion? Any different answers?
Sir, C A B D E.
C A B
B D E.
E. Okay.
D E.
C A B D E. Okay, let's see. Yeah, answer is C A B D E. Putting the first letter 3 in order. A finished in front of B, but behind C. So cap. Then we know D finished before B. So C A B D. We know E finished after D. So answer is C A B D E. Let's move to the next question. The next question is here. Quick, very fast. Use your brain. Quickly grasp. Think what would have happened here.
Maybe she was coming to return the book, sir.
He came to return the book. Okay. Next, any other answers?
Sir, library, sir.
Library. Okay. What else?
Due.
What do you?
Like when you go, don't return the book. There's an
Okay.
overdue, no, sir.
Where is others? Divya and others. Gopi Krishna, Sadhana Shri, Sahana, all not talking. Hemant. Okay, let's see. So if you notice, lady returned the book. She did not buy the book. Most probably she returned the book and paid rupees 13 as rent of the book. Okay, clear? Rest. Next. Quickly understand this. Read this. It's slightly big question, but read. Understand. You have any doubt? You can ask me. Very interesting question. Logical question, tricky answer. Completely a logical question. Let me see who can give me that perfect solution for this. Let me see your brain. Who has got the calculation capacity, analyzing capacity? That member will be definitely get into IITs or NITs or such kind of stuff, and getting into such universities, whether it is medical college or whatever it is. But yes, that capacity to solve the problem. Utilize your brain. So how do you take the car out?
Sir, they can remove the wheels and take it no, sir.
I'm not very sure about it. Practically that is possible, I don't know. Yes.
Sir, it will be a car of Mini Cooper which top can be going backside and the car can go.
No.
Sir, does it have to do something with the watchman?
No, that
Because he came up with it.
Sharon, the watchman was basically, we consider a watchman as a illiterate or a watchman as not having any knowledge, or watchman would not have studied. But here at this particular point, at this particular situation, a watchman had come up with a wise idea that is worked out. So we have to see that that watchman was analyzing the situation, which an engineer could not do, or an owner of that manufacturing unit could not do, or a tinker man could not do. or a mechanic could not do. So at times what happens, you guys would have experienced, when we look at it, some particular problems, like this would have happened to your life some point of time, that we look at that problem as very serious and somebody comes and give it a little bit of thoughts and make it very, very simple. Am I right? We would have definitely experienced such problems, because that people are brilliant, because what happens to them, they have a good thinking and listening capacity. They listen to it, then they watch it. They have that power. See, you cannot underestimate a power of a person's listening power. That's why people are telling that the person who has got mostly listen, or the more listening power will be best. So look at this. Very
Sir,
simple.
I think we should remove the air from the tire.
This is what that is what. Looking at this, if you remove the tire, practically pulling that car will be difficult. Okay, but if you reduce the air, you can always, either you can drive it or you can pull it or push it. Am I right? With wheels.
Yes, sir.
Removing the wheel and going away, practically it is difficult. Then you have to lift the car and put it somewhere. That will be again a critical situation. Let's look into the next one. The next problem is on the board. Quick. Mayuka, can you read this? Mayuka will read, others also read and understand. Mayuka will read. Mayuka,
Sir,
read first, quickly.
4 criminals are caught in a mirror.
Minor offense. Minor. 4 criminals are caught in a minor offense. Okay, offense means what? Crime. Okay, next. They pleaded judge to release them without a punishment, any punishment. As it was a minor offense, judge told them that they will be freed without punishment, but only if they can solve a puzzle. Understood? The puzzle is in front of them. What is the puzzle? What is the puzzle? Divya. Where is Divya? Divya, what is that puzzle here? Read the
I
puzzle.
won't read the question, sir.
Yeah, read the puzzle alone. All 4 men are lined up of some steps as shown in the picture.
All 4 of them are lined up on some steps as shown in the picture above. A wall separates the 4th person from other 3. So to summarize, criminal 1 can see 2 and 3. Criminal 2 can see 3. Criminal 3 and 4 can't see anyone else. Criminals are wearing hats. They are told that there are 2 white hats and 2 black hats.
Okay.
They can't see their own hat color and are told to shout their hat color as soon as they got to know for certain what color it is.
Okay.
They are not allowed to turn around or move. They are not allowed to talk to each other. They are not allowed to take their hat off.
Of course. So the conditions here, actually, the logical power of criminals have to be identified, or the best or the more humorous thief of this group. The best brain of this group have to be identified. How they can escape. What will happen? Some guessing. If you are in the place, where is Hemant? Hemant, I can't see you. What will happen? Hello? Come on here. Logical problem. Where are you? Hemant? Okay. Sharon, any guess?
Sir, I don't know. I mean, they're not allowed to talk to each other, so can they sing or something, sir?
No. Just look at how they are placed. If they are talking about anything wrong, anybody said anything wrong, then they will be punished. So let's go to the answer now. Let's discuss that. All of you
Sir.
answer the question, yeah.
Sir, I think criminal 2.
How?
Sir, if criminal 2 will see the third criminal and see his, and he can understand that what is color of his hat.
If you can explain properly, then we'll be getting convinced.
Sir, we can go to the answer itself.
Look at this. Situation of 3 and 4 are same. Can't see anybody. Okay. So they cannot conclude. One will be in dilemma because he sees one black. That means point number 1. The person who is in the number 1 place will be in dilemma because he see one black and one white in front of him. Okay. Right. Chances are high for 2. He will wait for 1 to shout. What he will do? He will wait for 1 to shout. But if 1 will not shout, because he arrived at a decision if 2 black or white in front of him, but that is not. So 1 will not shout because there are 2 colors in front of him. So 2 knows that 1 is not shouting because there are 2 different colors he can see. And 2 can see color of 3, that is white. So he left available with black only. Criminal 2's decision arrived from first shouting takes place or not. If first one is not answering, then criminal 2 can escape. You understood what I'm saying?
Sir, but if he does shout, sir, this answer cannot be.
Then 1 will be, no? Then 1 will be correct. Understood?
So this can have 2 outcomes.
Yes.
This answer can have 2
Yes.
outcomes.
Yes, of course. Depends on the one. Depends on the first person. See, look at this. These kind of problems. See, look at tomorrow if you are getting an IPS, tomorrow you want to be, you are there in the IPS, you are in the IAS position. You have to find out a solution for a very crucial. Sometimes somebody will rush to your house, wherever you are staying or your office. Then they will give you a problem like this. So where is your brain? That are you part of the solution or are you part of the problem? That matters. Very simple. How do you solve it? These kind of questions will ask in IAS or IPS kind of interview sessions. All right. Let's move to the next one. Very simple. I think you can answer this. All of you can answer this. Very simple. Very, very simple. Very simple, yaar, quickly.
Third, sir, third place.
Who's that?
Third.
Sharon.
Third. Very simple. Third. So next. Very quickly. I have few more interesting questions and we'll stop the class. Look. I'm totally upset with Gopi Krishna. Gopi Krishna is to be challenged now. You were good and brilliant at doing such questions and you are totally mistaken and gone out of the picture. Yeah, what is the answer? What is the answer? That's all. Let's see the answer. Move to the next one. Moving the next one. Find the next number in this sequence. Took 0, 6, 24, 60, 120 and 210. What could be the next number? Took. What can be? Hello? Are you all there? Hemant, you went out for some time. I've been calling your name. Monita and all not answered to me. Monita, your father was very much interested when I met him in the office. He was telling that you have to learn foundation and you have to learn fundamentally fit. Your fundamentals are not working here. Where is your fundamentals? These fundamentals will work out only if you practice something like this. Theoretically, you can do anything, but fundamentally is not fit. So what is next? Sharon, are you trying?
Sir, I don't know.
It's okay. So let's see the pattern. The pattern like this: 0 into 1 into 2. Okay. Then 1 into 2 into 3. Look at this. What happened? Let's see the question. 0 into 1 into 2. So that's the first pattern. Next pattern is 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2, 3 plus 3. 3 into 3 is 6. Okay, next. Next, what is next? So what will be the next pattern? 6 into 7 into 8 at the last. What is that? Okay. I don't think you'll be able to do this. Can you try this at least a small number? 6, 12, 20, 30, 40 to 56. Very small number. Where are you guys? Mayuka,
Yes, sir.
72.
72.
Sir,
Why?
72. Sir, 6 plus 6 is 12. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. The difference between the second and the first number.
So 2 into 2 plus 2, I did in this pattern. 3 into 3 plus 3. 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 plus 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
6. Next, next pattern I did 3 into 3 plus 3. 4 into 4 plus 4. Of course, next will be 5 into 5 plus 5. Okay? Right? Not able to understand pattern, right? So just a small rebus. Can you identify what this can be? How do we take this? Mary plus Mary, or how do you, what word represented by this rebus? This is one of the area of NTSC. This kind of questions will be there, 1 or 2 questions. You can expect such kind of questions. 2 questions will be in this series. Any guessing? Where is Divya? Any guessing, Divya? What does this rebus mean by? This rebus is nothing but summary. All right. Next question. The last question of this class. With this, we'll stop. I have few more questions, but with this, we'll stop as the time permits only this much. So let us understand this. And if you tell me the answer, we'll stop with this question. Where are you guys? Work out with your brains. There's no workouts. Analytically, it's very, very less power. If you don't have analysis.
Sir, 2, sir.
2, sir.
2.
Sir, 2, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. Why it is 2? Let's see. As we know, the gears in contact will always going to rotate in the opposite directions. All right. Shall we try one more question like this?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who dice puzzle? Who dies here? A, B, C, D, and E.
Sir, 3 people might die.
Who are all?
Sir, E, D, C.
E and
C,
D.
D.
And C. So why
Sir,
do
C, D, E will die.
C, D, E will die? So why do you think E will die?
Sir, if the ball, like, if there is enough force, sir, the ball might again go back to hit him,
So
sir.
if it is
Like-
going back and hitting him, okay. See, look at that. He's pushing it. Okay. So if it is going back, means it will hit him and it will fall down from this beam, right? From this position, it will fall down.
Yes, sir. But then it'll end then, no, sir.
No, how you see? Okay. So then he escaped, right? Then D and C, D will escape.
Sir, but the moon-like thing can hit D, no, sir. Like his head off. That
Right.
moon-like thing.
Aditya, if this is going, okay, if this is turning this direction, for example, if this is turning this back direction, then he should only die, right?
For the other direction.
Then what will happen? Okay, if this goes here, let's see now. If this guy is pushing this, okay, this guy pushes his, of course he will die. D will die. Okay.
Yes,
D
sir.
will die. And after that D, of course C will die because
C will die.
Sir, I think only C will die, sir, because it's the moon kind of shape, sir. So when it goes down, the blue kind of thing can save his head, no, sir.
no, difficult because he don't have any option here to pull it down probably.
So no, so that's what, sir. The object, no, sir. The object which is coming down, it's in the shape of like a moon. So the U kind of thing can save his head.
Now you see 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, definitely it will hit on his head only. See the objects, the kind of space or the large size. So D will die. Let us assume D will die. C will die. Of course C will die. All right. When C dies, this will lift. B will die. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
C
sir.
will also die. Look at this now. What is the condition says? Hope all of you understood now.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next one. One more question. Can I show you? I think then I'll end up this. I have 1 or 2 questions maximum. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is nothing but I think you can understand this. What is written in this? Am I right?
Evil.
Evil is there. What else you can see?
Evil we can see. Good can also come.
Good, sir.
It can also
Good
come.
can.
So if you concentrate on the black portion, you will see the word good. Within inside you, you find the spacing concentrating that good. So my concept is whole concept is good can't exist without the evil. All right. Let's see the next one. The last, probably the last question of this class. With this, we'll wind up this class. Who is the safest person in the picture below?
1, sir.
Okay. Any other answers? Do we have a difference of opinion in this class? Let's see. If anybody is with different opinion, please raise.
Sir, I think it will be 2.
So 2.
Me
2, sir.
2 is safer comparatively.
Why do you think 2 is safer?
Sir, I don't think so. He'll hit the tree. It
Come on.
doesn't seem so
Just
from here.
turn back and going towards the tree.
Yes,
Definitely he's turning back and going towards the tree. He will definitely hit. No doubt.
yes, sir. But better than being hit by a car than that.
Going for a judgment of that smooth dying. Right? Safe dying. Someone who will die safe. Peaceful dying. No. Look at this. Because I think, I don't know whether I have the answer here. Look at this. My answer is this because if you look at this, one will definitely hit by this car, okay? Okay,
Yes,
all of
sir.
you listening?
Sir,
One,
what if he stops the car?
wait. No, actually chances are very less because it is showing the speed here and is very close. So chances are he will die, 2 will hit and die, 3 is going to be in trouble here and 4 will definitely go inside. So there is only one chance that this car driver only will escape as per this picture. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All of you with me? Right, okay. So that's all from my class. Practice such question, analytically practice. This will help you definitely for improving your skills. All right.
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much for joining. Hope you enjoyed. Keep learning such things. And by the time I come to the next class, be ready for such questions. Okay? Practice on
Yes, sir.
regularly. So thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do
Thank
good.
you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.